Why mulch? Mulching not only keeps your garden healthy, but also saves water. Mulch keeps your soil cool, suppresses weeds, and benefits earthworms that add nutrients to your soil. It also reduces evaporation by up to 70%. Anyone can mulch, but these tips can help you master mulching. Always wear gardening gloves and wash your hands. To prepare the garden bed, weed it, loosen the soil and give it water. Then apply the mulch to the garden. It's all about coverage, not evenness. Coarse mulch should be 5 to 7 centimetres deep. Medium mulch like wood chips should be 2.5 to 5 centimetres. For finer mulch like yuki, make it about 2.5 centimetres deep. Don't mulch up to the stem of your plants. This can cause unwanted fungal disease. Instead, leave a gap of about 4 centimetres. Don't forget to top up your mulch. Coarse mulches may last for years, but finer ones may last a few months. For more smart water advice, visit smartwatermark.org/Victoria.